Hey everybody, this is a follow-up video to my restoration project to the 10 by 18 studio. It came out pretty good compared to what it was, night and day. New trim boards, new roof completely, new clapboards, handmade Dutch door with a window, beautiful hand-carved mahogany handle, feels good on the hand, double pane windows, and the sill has been reinforced, blocks and beams. Some of it's been left as is. Let's check out the inside. New stairs and electricity. The old kitchen's been restored, ready for a rain barrel and drain hooked up, vent,